Hello everybody and welcome to Florida. I wanted to share with you my latest experiment. I love to try different things in my garden, and I'm always game to try things that are highly nutritious plants that you can eat. So I want to talk to you today about tree collards. I ordered these plants or cuttings from projecttreecollard.org from California. They arrived yesterday. I've been doing so much propagating that I ran out of containers, but I wanted to get them in soil, so I had to make do for containers. I have two different varieties here. There are many varieties, but these are the ones I chose. This is the purple tree collard. It will get to be about 6 feet tall. This is the jolly green giant tree collard and get to be about 10 feet tall. They need to be staked once they get to be about 2 or 3 feet tall. But I wanted to share the research that I've done on them so that you can find interest in them. This is a very diverse, edible perennial, best grown in zone 8 through 10. I live in zone 9. They like high humidity, and Florida is absolutely perfect for that. They said not to overwater them, and we had a rain shower earlier today and they got drenched, so I hope they'll be okay. But I wanted to talk to you about mainly the medicinal properties of these leaves. The leaves will get huge, about 2 feet wide. They're edible. They're super high in vitamins and minerals, vitamin A, B, a lot of zinc, a lot of calcium. The leaves are like 90% water. They're high in fiber, have 0 fat. They have anti-carcinogenic properties. They're lower cholesterol. So there's almost no negatives about them. They can be grown in soil or in a container. Florida's soil is very sandy and not the best. And even when you amend it, you have to be, great amendments to add it to it. So I think I'm going to put them in a container when they get bigger. In the ground, they have to be planted 2 feet apart. And in a container, it has to be 25 gallons or greater because the plants are going to get that big. They are edible. They can be grown in colder climates, but they need to be protected from the winter. So up north, if you have them, what you do is either cut them to the ground and they'll come back in the spring, or somehow wrap them to have protect them from the cold, or grow them in greenhouses. They do have pest problems and underground problems too. The gophers and moles will eat the root system. The best way to get rid of the pests is just to spray them off with the hose. They're high feeders, so they need frequent fertilization and they need added calcium. And you can do that by doing oyster flour or rock mineral dust added to it frequently. They can be cooked, either braised or steamed. They're a staple in many cuisines throughout the world, and mainly in the United States southern part and southeast. They're part of the brassica family, which is broccoli and cauliflower. They have cows, deer, rabbits, and chickens love to eat these plants. So I'm going to start this project. I will probably do a video in the future about them to let you know whether I have success or failure, how long it took them to get a root system, how long it took them to get leaves, what I learned from them. I'm not afraid to try different things, so this is the first one about tree collards. So I will keep you posted in the future. Thank you for listening, and remember, gardeners create beauty in the world. Bye-bye.